All right. Let's see what we got. Calculate money in Leetcode Bank. Easy. Hersey wants to save money for his first car. He puts money in the Leetcode Bank every day. He starts by putting $1 on Monday. The first day, every day from Tuesday to Sunday, he will put in $1 more than the day before. On every subsequent Monday, he will put in $1 more than the previous Monday. Given n, return the total amount of money he will have in the Leetcode Bank by the end of the nth day. Okay, sure. N is 1 to 1,000. Okay, let me think. Okay, so the number of weeks will be n divided by 7, rounded down. And then I think the weeks is going to be like $7 on the first week, $14 on the next week. So it's going to be an arithmetic summation. So let's say I'm going to do an example of n is 100. The weeks would be 100 divided by 7, which is 20, 14, I want to say, 14 and change. 10 times 7 is 70, times 4, 7 times 4 is 28, so it's 98. But the remainder days would be 2 days. If I have 14 weeks, 14 weeks could convert to be like 7 plus 14 plus 21 plus ... whatever 7 times 14 is. And then if I factor out the 7, it would be 7 times 1 plus 2 plus ... 7. No, plus 14. And then that would be 7 times the geometric series of 1 plus 14 divided by 1 plus 14 n times n plus 1 over 2. So it would be 7 times 14 times 15 over 2. And that'd be the amount of money for per weeks. That's just using the geometric sum of, or the arithmetic sum of 1 plus 2 plus ... plus n is equal to n times n plus 1 over 2. So n in that case is 14. So that's the whole amount of money for the number of weeks, and then like there'll be some remainder, which would be n mod 7. And then, so the answer should equal 7 times the number of weeks times the number of weeks plus 1 over 2. And answer plus equals the number 7 times the 7 times the week number, 7 times, no, the week number is how much each day is going to be worth in that week. So if it's week 14, then each day of that week is $14. So it's weeks times the remainder, and then return the answer. I think I'm off by 1 probably. Am I off by 1? I'm not really off by 1. Off by a lot. Oh, what did I do wrong here? So n is 4. Weeks should be 0. Remainder should be 4. Should be weeks plus 1 maybe. Weeks plus 1. The first week is, yeah, I think it's all off by 1. So I think maybe it should be weeks is n divided by 7 plus 1. Well, still pretty off. Now am I off by 1? Not really. Alright, let's think this through. N is 4. Weeks is going to be 1. No, that definitely is wrong. Number of weeks is still n divided by 7 here. Answer is just weeks plus 1. Put the plus 1 in the wrong spot. Alright. What's going on here? So the number of weeks, what's going on here? N is 4. The first week should be 0. This is like weeks completed. N is 4, there's 0 weeks completed. If there's 0 weeks completed, then if there's 1 full week's completed, then it should be 7. There's 1, so if I say n is 7, 7 divided by 7 is 1. Remainder of 7 mod 7 is 0. So it should be 7 times 1 times, let me double check here. N is 7 and n is 14. See if those are correct somehow. No, they're still wrong. Very wrong, actually. What's going on? Starts by putting $1 in first day every day. From Tuesday to Sunday, he'll put in 1 more than the day before. On every subsequent Monday, he'll put in $1 more than the previous Monday. Man, I just totally screwed up on the comprehension of this thing. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. So starting off arithmetic in the first place, I thought it was like 1s on every day of the first week, and then 2 on every day of the second week. Wow. Poor comprehension. Oh, I see. So it's going up by 1 each day, but then it kind of resets on the Monday, but slightly more on the Monday. Okay. Well, now, how is that going to play out? So it's going to be baseline, it's going to be 1 through 7. Okay, so the weeks is still necessary. I think it's going to be n divided by 7. And the baseline amount is 1 through 7. So baseline should be like, I guess I can just do the manual addition, right? So it's 1 through 7 is going to be 7 times 8 divided by 2, 56 divided by 2, so it's 28. Okay. And then the remainder is n mod 7. So the answer should be the baseline. So if it's done in 1 week, so the week is 1, then it should be the baseline. Oh gosh, let me say if there's 2 weeks, then it's 28 plus 28 plus 7. Okay, so it's baseline times the number of weeks plus 7 times the number of weeks minus 1, I think. No. 7, and then it's additional 14 the next week. So it's, I think that's geometric, or that's arithmetic. So it's like plus 0, plus 7, plus 14. where weeks is the number of values in that. Okay, so if we factor out the 7, this is like 28, and then next week is 28 plus 7, and next week is 28 plus 14. So there's going to be 28 times the number of weeks, plus like 0, plus 7, plus 14, plus dot dot dot. Factor out 7, and it's going to be like 0, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, dot dot dot. Okay, so that should be like, let's say weeks minus 1, weeks times weeks minus 1, over 2. And then the remainder needs to be added to this, so plus equals the remainder and the remainder should be, oh gosh, what's going to be here? The remainder times the number of weeks minus 1. So if there's 1 week, no, I think it might be just weeks. Remainder times the weeks. So if, let's say it's remainder 2 and the week is 1, each of those is going to be worth 1 above the baseline. Okay. When the baseline in this case is a fraction or arithmetic sequence, so it's like remainder. Just shorten this. Let's say it's leftover. I think it's weeks leftover is left times the left plus 1 over 2. Oh, whoops, I need to return this. Not feeling great about this, considering I submitted a whole lot of incorrect answers so far. That's wrong syntax. Excellent. Okay. Okay. That was. I've definitely done better on some of these easy ones. Okay. So summary. I don't know. This is. Mostly. Problem is mostly a review of how to algebraically formulate the direct calculation of the number of, what is this, money? Of the amount of money given n days. Can do this slowly using a for loop or quickly using the direct formula. Make use of the arithmetic summation formula, where if you have 1 plus 2 plus 3, oh my god, plus dot 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 k is going to be like k times k plus 1 over 2. Yeah. This is just the full week. So it's 28 for just a full week of stuff. And this is the number of weeks times that baseline plus whatever you need to have additionally to increment it from every Monday onwards. Since week is kind of week 0 at the start, then you need to needs to be off by 1 there. It needs to subtract 1 rather than add 1. And this is the remainder days in the last week. Money from last week remaining days. And this is from full weeks. Right, time flexibility limit of 1 as all work is done through work calculation. It'd be O of maybe O of n, do the slower for loop, and this is going to be O of 1 for space. Alright, that was